this all out later. Yeah. We don't need to really go into it. We can do that later though. We can just, because we just want middle, start, middle, end. But we'll do that later, that's all right. But anyway, we've got like a little block happening. I can't help myself. So you just got that. Just a little bit of movement happening. We can do the same on the other side, I guess. Block this out. So it's just starting to come back here. Back. Still back. Still slightly back. Then it comes forward. Yeah, so you've got a little blocking happening. We can work on the other stuff later. But all in all, that's basically, we're just blocking in the walk there. The other thing we want to do, well, let's not forget, of course, we want to go into the hips. And remember, step, contact, stepped, weight shift. The weight will be on this leg, right? So we'll just exaggerate a bit more, but we can tone it down. Contact, step, weight shift, and then back that way. And then we can sort these knees and everything out. I mean, we can do it now if you want. A bit more out. What's this? Here as well. But we can always do this in polishing. This is just yeah, okay. Now there's a bit rocky, but there's a way you can sort that out. So if you come in here, and you can see that highs and lows. So all you're doing, you're just blocking out. In block, you're just going like step. That's why it's called stepped, right? So if we do this, like this, you'll see it's like equal, right? So now when you do it now, you'll see it's like kind of just going like, it's cleaned up basically, isn't it? So that's what you're trying to do. And then we'll sort everything else. So that's the blocking, guys. And then obviously, again, splining, polishing, we'll do all that. But get a solid blocking in, make sure all the contact poses, everything, you know, are working well. The other thing we can do is, while we're in here, see, the forward is pretty constant, so that's cool. When we spline it, we'll just make that linear. So it's moving forward constantly. We might need to make some adjustments to the legs when we spline it, but you know, that's natural, we have to do that. And we'll sort out the shoulder and torso and everything. So all right, guys, that's blocking, and then we'll move on to coming out into splining. Save. Don't forget to save your stuff. So I'll see you in the next video.